Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Can I save money automatically with Moka? The straightforward answer is yes, you absolutely can save money automatically with Moka. Moka is a financial app designed to make saving and investing effortless, particularly for those new to personal finance. The primary automatic savings feature is called roundups. Here's how it works. You link your bank account and credit or debit cards to the Moka app. When you make a purchase, Moka automatically rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar. This spare change is then collected and transferred from your bank account into your Moka investment account, where it is invested according to your chosen portfolio. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Moka rounds it up to $4 and transfers the extra 50 cents. This microsaving happens passively in the background with every purchase, so you barely notice the small amounts being saved. Beyond roundups, Moka also offers other ways to automate your savings. You can set up recurring contributions, which are fixed, scheduled deposits, such as weekly or bi-weekly, directly from your bank account to your investment portfolio. This allows for more deliberate, consistent savings alongside the spare change collection. Moka automates the entire process, from collecting the funds to investing them in a diversified portfolio of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that match your risk tolerance. Once you set up your accounts and your savings goals, Moka handles the rest, turning small, frequent amounts into a growing investment. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is the core of Moka's value proposition for automated saving and investing. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.